This condo offers the perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and community. This one-bedroom, one-bathroom condo offers carpet-free living and all utilities included in your condo fees, giving you truly low-maintenance living from day one. So if you're ready, let's check out my top 5 reasons why you want to make this house your home. Number 5, prime location. Set in the heart of Eastwood, your steps from Rockway Gardens and minutes from shopping, restaurants, transit, and everyday essentials. With quick access to Highway 401 and the Expressway, commuting is a breeze. Number 4, building amenities. Enjoy a vibrant and social atmosphere with access to a bowling and billiards room, a workshop, a library, an exercise room, and a party space. Whether you're looking to stay active or connect with neighbors, this building has something for everyone. Number 3, bright living space. This suite is carpet-free and features updated flooring and plenty of natural light thanks to large windows. The layout feels relaxed and comfortable, with enough room to host in the spacious living room. Number 2, the kitchen. The kitchen offers plenty of cabinetry and a pantry, making everyday cooking a breeze. Adjacent to the kitchen is your bright dinette where you can enjoy delicious meals. Number 1, bedroom and updated bathroom. The bright bedroom offers ample closet space and large windows that bring in plenty of light. Just steps away, the updated 5-piece bathroom features a modern vanity and a tub with luxe dual shower heads. And a convenient bonus, in-suite laundry. Thanks for tuning in. If you're interested in this home, check out the website below. And for more great homes, don't forget to follow me on social media. For the Kostecki Real Estate Group, I'm Peter Kostecki. We'll see you at the next home.